Hello there, this is Billy. I created a button head for my tiny Arduboy clone, and this time I also connected a second button head which has no brain. It's connected back to the main console using a link cable. And also the second link cable connects the two OLED together, so both players will see the same display, and each can control using their own pedal and buttons. This is a version of the ping pong games called Arduboy NG. So as you can see, I'm playing it using both hands, one on each pedal, and it's and I also added the B button to the second console. Okay, next let's test some real game. Let me select all these pedal games that I have modified, so you can use the pedal. This is the Pico Vader on pedal. So for all this game, I programmed to use B, press button B to use pedal. Button A will resume the normal function to use the buttons, the D-pad for up, down, left, right. So let me start with pedal. So we can rewrite this as a two-player game and use the second pedal to play as well. Okay, I pressed the wrong button. I should press B to start with the pedal. So now I'm back to using the miniature D-pad. and set. And let's choose another game. So again, try to use the pedal game. So this one is Breakout. Let's try this one. Again, I've programmed it to start the game with pedal by pressing the B button. If you press A, it will resume the normal function that it starts with the buttons, the D-pad. You can find the link to the GitHub shared source and hex files for these 3 modified games on Arduboy. I've also put a link to the schematics that you can follow to create the pedals. If you like my video, please subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe too. I'm going to go over 1,000 subscribers. That's the only 3 games that I have written or modified so far. So I say thanks for watching.